Okay, hi guys, this is FFT. I am here with Rebecca Williams, LuLaRoe. And you're at LuLaRoe Rebecca Williams, right?
Yes.
On Facebook? Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm with this lovely lady. We are here selling at 13526 Minnieville Road. You still got time to come by. It started at almost 7 a.m., right?
Mm-hmm.
We were here from 7 a.m. to 12. You still got time to come by. Again, the address is 13526 Minnieville Road, Woodbridge, Virginia, 22192. She's got some awesome stuff. I'm telling you, just looking at your stuff, you have such variations of items, right?
Yeah, it's variations of colors, sizes, you name it, we got it.
Yeah. So, you got even dresses.
Yes,
Yeah.
I have the Mommy and Me collection that came out about a month or so ago. I have some 4th of July stuff.
Good.
And then we just ordered the Disney collection last night.
The Disney collection, you have it? No way.
It'll be here in a week.
In a week. Okay, so be prepared. She's got it. The Mickey Mouse, Minnie
Yeah.
Mouse. You're gonna have Cinderella.
I'm not sure what comes. We just order the sizes, we don't get to pick the pattern.
You don't get to pick the pattern, but she's gonna have it. So be prepared. So she will have all of the items, all of the things that she will need.
I'm gonna get with you.
All of the stuff that she has, she's gonna be able to get it. So she's got all the Disney collection, which is kind of hard for most, LuLaRoe. Is it kind of hard?
It was difficult to get it last night, absolutely.
Really? So not every LuLaRoe, rep's gonna have it, but she definitely does
I
have
got
it.
It'll be here in a week.
Oh, that's awesome! I love LuLaRoe. I mean, it's just something that you like to. It is. A lot of people say it's kind of like soft and comfortable.
Buttery.
I've heard that. It's
Yes.
buttery. It's almost buttery. So you got shirts.
Shirts, skirts, dresses.
Awesome. I am
Leggings.
So I'm gonna flip the camera later, but I wanted to talk to you because you are a blessing. I heard your story. She not only sells LuLaRoe, guys, she is a couponer. She's my girl here. So she's related.
Multitasking.
She's a multitasker. She relates to me, okay? Not only is she's an extreme couponer like I am, but she's a foster parent. I love this woman, okay? A woman after my own soul, okay? A woman after my own soul. So she's a blessing, okay? So we got to keep blessing her, guys. Please keep blessing this woman. So what is your web address? Do you have one?
I'm on the LuLaRoe is the LuLaRoe Rebecca Williams. That's on Facebook.
Okay.
That's the group there that they can join
Okay.
for the LuLaRoe.
Okay. All right. So please, guys, keep blessing this woman, this wonderful woman, and keep buying her items. Please go to her website, keep buying so that you can keep producing, keep blessing her. I love to keep blessing somebody who blesses others. And anybody that you want to bless, this is the one. This is the person that you want to bless. This is the person that you want to keep giving to. This is the person that you want to keep blessing and producing and multiplying. And this is the guy. This is the girl. I'm sorry. This is the girl right here. See her? Okay, this is the one that we want to keep producing to, okay? But I definitely want to keep blessing her and keep giving her double portions, okay? But I'm going to go ahead and flip this, and her son race right there. But I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over. She's gonna go around with me, and we're gonna go ahead and point to all the stuff. You can see some behind me, but I'm gonna flip it around. There we go. We're gonna go ahead and go around if we can start here, Rebecca, and just go ahead and.
So these are the Perfect Tees,
Okay.
and we have Randy's,
Okay.
which are the baseball sleeves.
Okay.
We have Classic Tees, and these go all the way up to 2 and 3X.
Okay. Awesome.
XL. These are Carly's. The ones hanging here, these are part of the Mommy and Me collection.
Oh, awesome. Awesome.
Which are the women's and the children's, so you can match
Awesome.
with your daughter.
That's so neat. I love that. Any time that we can just go ahead and have like the cute patootie things, you definitely want to do it with them, especially when you can do like the cutie patootie stuff. And then over here
is more. This is more of the Mommy and Me collection.
Okay, all right.
And then these are Cassie, which are the pencil skirts. And then these are the Irmas.
Okay.
which are a little longer in the back.
Okay.
And then this is the dress collection.
Oh, nice. Nice,
From
nice.
the Julias to the Carlys to the Amelias.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh, and that one zips in the back. Oh, which is so cute. So you can
And it
like
has
wear it to
pockets.
well, you could like wear it to church, wear it to, you know, office,
much
wear it
everywhere.
anywhere. Oh, which is so cute. And you see the double color. I know you can't see it, guys, but the double colors, that's like the cute things, you know, which you can wear with like any kind. Oh, so cute, guys. You see that? And you could definitely wear it with any colors. You got to come and see this rep. Again, guys, it's 13525. I mean, 13526. And it's Minnieville Road, and you can come by. I am going to go out here for a second. I want to show you. She does have all of her stuff out here, which is all of her leggings. All the leggings are all nicely put.
The 4th of July.
Oh,
The Americana.
The Americanas are out here, and they're on this side as well. All of her little leggings. I do want to give you her size chart. It's right here, and also her prices. So if you get an idea of what her prices and stuff are, and that is her family right there waving to us. And hi guys, how are you? But we are gonna definitely keep you guys posted. Thank you so much, Rebecca. I appreciate all that you're doing, and we will see you. We'll see you guys. Thank you so much, FFT. Thank you for being with us, and we'll see you for broadcasting with us. Bye-bye.